So my name is Sabiq Rahim. I'm the repair and maintenance supervisor for North Belt. It's been a great experience. I came straight out of college. I did an internship with Halliburton and then I got hired on. I've been in the company for about 7 years now. I started off as a field engineer out in Odessa in the Permian Basin, working as an MWD engineer. And then I worked my way through a couple of support roles in operations, and then I came on the repair and maintenance side about 3 years ago. So majority of our operations here is supporting innovative tools such as iCruise, iCruise CX, Baystar, Quasar, and several other tool lines. We support about 15 to 20 rigs on US land that are most of the time drilling simultaneously. We maintain that fleet, we repair that fleet back to function, and we get them out to jobs. I like the focus of Halliburton is always on the people and supporting the people and trying to make the people be better, to learn, to develop, to grow.